Hi there, I'm Bryn Jensen with the Yacht Sales Co. Today I'm here in Whangarei, Northland, New Zealand. I'm at the Norsand Boat Yard. I'm on board Rinascere. She's a Lagoon 38. Somewhat of a project. She's been on the hard for a while now, but she is in pretty good condition. She just needs new owners to put her back into full commissioning. We're proud to partner with Norsand Boat Yard in presenting this boat. Let me show you through. So if you're interested in learning more, please reach out, jump onto the Yacht Sales Co website. I'd love to show you through, whether it's in person or remotely.